Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have the basics, a live photo of the car and shortcuts available. First, open Photos and confirm the clip is a live photo. If it's a video, convert it to live photo using shortcuts. Once done, create a new shortcut that imports the live photo, trims to 3 seconds, and exports as a live photo. Make sure photo's permission is granted. This starts the process so your iPhone can accept a live wallpaper file. Now you'll convert and optimize. Open shortcuts and build a sequence. Get latest live photo or get file, trim media to 3 seconds, resize/crop using center focus for lock screen aspect, then save to photo album as live photo. Why trim and crop? Lock screen live wallpapers only animate short clips and must be framed correctly. Once exported, preview the live photo in Photos to ensure motion and composition look good before applying. Finally, set it. Go to Settings or press and hold the lock screen, tap Customize or Add New, choose Photo Shuffle or Live Photo and pick your car live photo. Position and scale, then set for lock screen only or both. To test, lock the phone and long press the screen. It should animate. If it stays static, make sure the live photo option is enabled, reduce motion is off, and the file is a true live photo. Recreate via shortcuts if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.